In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset password to Windows 10. Whether you want to change your Windows Hello Pen or remove it entirely, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This key is usually located in the bottom left corner and has a Windows logo on it. Pressing it will open the Start menu along with a search bar. Next, type Settings into the search bar. As you type, Windows will automatically suggest matching results. When you see the Settings app appear, click on it or press Enter on your keyboard. Once the Settings window opens, look for the option labeled Accounts. This section contains all options related to user accounts, sign-in methods, and security settings. Click on Accounts to continue. Inside the Accounts menu, select Sign-in options from the left-hand side. Here, you'll find different ways to sign in to your device, such as passwords, PINs, and other security features. Now, locate Windows Hello PIN. This option allows you to sign in using a secure personal identification number. Click on it, then select Change. A small window will appear asking you to enter your current PIN. This is a security step to prevent unauthorized changes. Carefully enter your PIN and continue. Next, you'll see fields labeled New PIN and Confirm PIN. To remove or reset your PIN, leave both of these fields blank. After that, click OK to confirm. Your Windows Hello PIN has now been successfully removed. The next time you sign in, Windows will ask you to use another sign-in method, such as your account password, or prompt you to set up a new PIN. And that's it. You've successfully reset your password settings on Windows 10. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy navigating your digital world.